There we go. There we go. Ah, I think he let it go. No, he didn't. He's running with it. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, he's going right in my other line. Ah, that's a blue. Get over here. He's in my other line, I think. That's a blue on the live perch. That's a better one there. That is a better one. That is a better one. Now, my boots got stuck in the mud. That's a good one there. That's a really good one there. Holy smokes. Thought he dropped it. He sure didn't. Come on, Josh. There we go. That's a good one there. The best one of the night. He's barely hooked. Barely hooked. That's a good one.